Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to straighten a photo in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open an image or document. Then, step 1, select the crop tool, straighten. Okay, and step 2, respective crop. Click OK. And now we can see this straighten a photo. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.